This is my new YouTube channel. I am Antinia. So today I'm going to be unboxing some new toys. So let's get into it. This looks like an ice cream right now. So now I am opening it up. Some scissors. So now let's open it up. Here's the slime plate. Open it with some scissors. So this is some pink slime. Look like the ice cream. Let's add some decorations into it because it just looks plain and not fun if you just like mix it up. Get the rest in the bag. It feels gooey, but it don't look gooey. Add some glitter into it. Wow. Cutting this one open, and I'm gonna add a little bit of it because when I add all of the foam balls, it was white. So now I am mixing the glitter up with it. Can't see the glitter, but whatever. That was easy to come off. Cut it open. Put some in it. Mix it together. Whoa. It feels good too. Now I am getting all the foam balls up right now. Ooh, let's shape it into an ice cream. Now I'm going to grab these and place the slime in there right now. Okay, so now we are putting the other piece on top. So now we are going to open it. Look kind of like it. And you grab the cone, and there you go. So you guys, this is what I made, an ice cream cone. So now we are going to go on to the next block. So put the other side on the side. So now guys, let's move on to box 2. Here's the mystery stuff. Open it. I'm going to use the scissors to open this. Let's see what it is. It's some pink foam balls. So now I'm stirring the snow up. I'm going to add the snow back in that It's on the table right now, but yeah, I am messing it up. Mixing up. Add the leftover snow back in. And after that, I'm going to pour this one in this cup. Fill this over. Now I'm putting this one open. Pour it in here. And you open it all the way. There it goes. Okay, now I'm messing this one up. Now I am done mixing this one up. Put it over there. Now when we grab the glue, let's pour it in this cup right here. So now I'm going to pour some more glue in this measuring cup. Now I'm going to grab this big bowl right here, put the glue over. So now I'm going to mix this one up. Pour this one in. Now this. Ooh, this is a chunk in the bottom. Now pour the snow. Now mix it up. It already mixed into it and I was just a little bit stirring it. So now what I do after I'm done mixing it up, I put some foam in it, some foam balls. Put foam balls. They popped out. Stirring it up with the spoon. Just a little bit more. So guys, this is what he made. Big slime cloud. So like, it kind of worked. I worked hard for this to work. Hi guys, just want to say I got these from Five Below. This one was my favorite because like I didn't have to put all the stuff in it. I just had to put like glitter and stuff in it. But this one I had to do some hard work and mix it up with my hands. It got a little messy because it got in my face too. But anyway, follow my TikTok, Antinia 2011. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Peace.